Renter's insurance has its benefits, and knowing what it covers can protect you and your property. Let our expert agent John explain why you should consider getting a renter's insurance policy.
Renter's insurance is actually something that I think a lot more people need than they realize, specifically if you're renting an apartment. Your belongings inside that apartment, if something happened, like a fire, flood, anything like that happens inside an apartment, that's not covered by the landlord or the apartment complex's insurance thing. The apartment complex or the landlord, they'll completely use their own insurance to fix the apartment back up, but everything inside, everything that you owned, everything that you worked hard to collect would be gone. You would have no coverage for that. All of my clients that have an apartment, I strongly suggest they get renter's insurance.
Does that apply to renting a home?
Even if you're renting a home from another person, that person's going to have what's called landlord's insurance, which is only going to cover the structure. It's not going to cover any of your belongings inside. This is also huge. A lot of people who rent a home, they have to get their own appliances. Those appliances are not covered by the landlord's policy. If you purchase the appliances, then you have to cover them. And renter's insurance would do that if you had the policy. So it's much more valuable and useful than a lot of people think. It's also extremely affordable. Typically, a renter's insurance policy, depending on the amount of personal property coverage you get, is anywhere from $10 to $30 a month. I've set people up with $20,000 worth of personal property coverage for like $12 a month. Because even if I didn't have $20,000 worth of belongings, at least I know that it's covered for that $12.
What about my property for when I'm traveling?
Even if you travel, the stuff you bring along with you, your belongings, is still covered on your renter's policy. So if you have the unfortunate situation where there's a theft from your hotel room, or someone, you get robbed on the street or something, you can put in a claim and get all of your belongings back. Your renter's insurance policy goes with you where you go.
Is there anything else it covers?
So if you had the misfortune of something happening to your apartment that deemed it to be unlivable, then your renter's insurance policy will pay for you to live at another apartment or a hotel while your room is being fixed.
So John, anybody interested in buying a renter's insurance policy, what should they do now?
Either text or call Jerry.ai. Talk to some of the experts there. They will walk you through the process. They will answer all your questions. They will set you up with an affordable policy with the right company. Make sure you're properly covered for both your home, apartment, condo, whatever it is that you have. It's something that's a very valuable tool to have, home and renter's insurance. And Jerry Insurance can absolutely set you up with the best company out there.
I hope this information helps when considering buying a renter's insurance policy, but if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to one of our expert agents 7 days a week on our app. I'm Dominique. Thanks for watching.